Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a Linux user, you've probably used apt 1,000 times to install, update, or manage packages on your system. But what if I told you there's a better, faster, and more user-friendly alternative? That's right. Today, we're talking about Nala. Installing Nala is super simple. Just open your terminal and run these commands. Nala has a cleaner output. Look at this. APT's output is cluttered, but Nala organizes everything into easy-to-read sections. You get clear information about what's being installed, upgraded, or removed, and it even highlights important details in color. Nala is already installed on my system. Once it's installed, you're ready to replace your apt commands with Nala equivalents. Let's compare APT and Nala with a real package installation of HTOP. Look at that difference. With apt, you get a bunch of messy text, while Nala gives you a well-organized, color-coded output. Plus, it downloads packages in parallel, making installations significantly faster. Sudo Nala fetch is a quick and easy way to optimize your package manager's performance by configuring the fastest mirrors for your system. It's just one of the many reasons why Nala is a great alternative to plain old APT. From this output, you can select the fastest mirrors, the command Nala history is another awesome feature provided by Nala. It allows you to view a detailed log of all package management actions performed using Nala. And to undo an installation, you can run this command and enter the respective ID. So, should you switch to Nala? Absolutely! It's faster, more organized, and gives you better control over package management. If you're using Debian or Ubuntu-based distros, there's really no reason not to try it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on more Linux tips and tricks. See you in the next one, and happy package managing with Nala.